welcome to my channel. Today we're going to try this. So let's go. First, moisturizer. We need to prep our skin first. And next we have our primer. I'm using hydrating primer because we want dewy texture. Next up, lip balm, and we are done. Now I'm using a peach color corrector to cancel out all the dark areas around my mouth and under my eyes, blending it well. And next I'm using a green color corrector to correct all the acne, the aggressive acne, and blending it out. Here's a trick I do: just dipping my sponge in the water and just removing excess. It doesn't soak the products and you can have your products well on your face. Next up, I'm using a concealer and using a dotting technique and applying where it is needed. And next, blending it well. I don't use foundation, I use concealer. Next up, a lighter shade to highlight. I'm warming up behind my hand and applying it under the eyes, not just under the eyes and not crossing the limit. Around the nose, around the mouth, and on the chin area to highlight these part more. And next I'm also doing this V nose contouring, not contouring but concealing to make it brighten up. And next we will blend it well. Next I will do some contouring. I'm taking a dark shade and applying on the cheek like this to make it look like a V-shaped jaw, and on the nose using the CIU. So C around the eyes like this, and I is to make it straighten, make it slimmer, and the U here. I want a button nose, so I have done a line over it and blending it on the temples of the face, and again blending it well from the smaller part of the sponge, and it is done. Now I'm taking a blush. I'm actually using a lipstick, using it below the eyes and going up, not going after the eye part, on the nose as well and on the chin as well to make it the face smaller. Next up we have our eyeshadow. I'm using it at the side of the eyes, on the lower part of eyes, and a little bit of under the eyes like this. I've used a reddish brown shade with a tint of orange. Now I'm going with a sparkling eyeshadow here to brighten it up, and a little bit of under the eyes in the inner corner like this. And for ague sal, I'm using this liner and applying it like this. Don't worry, I'm going to blend it out using a thin brush like this. I'm using a liner. I'm extending my natural line first, and then I'm using a little bit of wing to make it more natural and not very dramatic, and following my natural line. I'm using it on the inner corner to extend the line a little more downwards, making it more curvy. And next, eyebrow. I don't do eyebrows, so just do whatever you like with the eyebrows. Now I'm curling up my lashes, and see the magic with the false lashes. Boom! Now I'm taking a liner and overlining my lips in the middle and following my natural line from the side like this. And on the lower part I'm making this, and again following my natural lip line to make it more plump looking, and extending the smile lines and applying some of the color at these to give it depth. Next I'm taking a nude color lipstick and applying it on the lips to make it more natural looking, a tint of color in the middle, and mixing it, smudging it up with the brush and not with fingers. Please keep that in mind. And after the blending part, I'm doing the smile lines again. Now I'm applying a lip gloss to make it shine more than your future. Next up is the highlighter, using it on the nose, and we are done.